Welding is a process of joining two similar metals by the application of heat. Heat is produced with the help of electricity. While welding, the edges of metal pieces are either melted or brought to plastic condition and joined together. Welding can be done with the addition of filler material or without it. The filler material here is called electrode. Welding is used for making permanent joints. It is used in the manufacture automobile bodies, aircraft frame, railway wagon, machine frame, structural works, tanks, furniture and general repair works. Power source. Both AC and DC power supply is used for welding. AC supply is obtained from main by means of a transformer. The power source gives the necessary current to perform welding process. Electrode holder. In electricity, we have two wires. Here, one wire for power source is connected to electrode holder with the help of cable, and another wire is connected directly to welding table with the help of earthing cable. Electrodes. These are called welding rods. Electrodes are coated with flux. This flux produces a gaseous shield around the molten metal. This prevents the reaction of the molten metal with oxygen and nitrogen in the atmosphere. This flux removes the impurities from the molten metal and forms a slag. This slag gets deposited over the metal. This is later removed by chipping hammer. Shield. Hand shield is used to protect the eyes of the welder from the light spark produced during welding. Gloves are used to protect the hand of the welder from heat. Workpiece. These are simple workpieces used for demonstration purpose. Tongs. Tongs are used to hold the workpiece. Chipping hammer. Chipping hammer is used to remove slags which are formed during welding. Wire brush. Wire brush is used to remove small slag particles that are not removed by chipping hammer. Earthing cable. It is used to connect another wire of electricity to welding table. Welding procedure. A 2 mm gap should be maintained between electrode and workpiece. Please note, both should not be touched at any instance. If touched, welding cannot be made. So, maintain a 2 mm gap and move the electrode in necessary direction to perform the welding. Workpieces got melted and they are joined together.